Hello, my name is A.A. Rima. Happy birthday to you, Prince Ivy.
My name is Anasin aka Ganana One. Happy birthday to my brother Prince Ivy.
My name is Barakasi. Wish you long life. Happy birthday to you, my junior brother Prince Ivy.
Hello dear friends, my name is Isa Tadi. Happy birthday to you, Prince Ivy.
Hello, my name is Fawzia. Happy birthday to you, my brother Prince Ivy.
Hello gentlemen and ladies. They call me Heron B aka Badman. Happy birthday to you, my brother Prince Ivy.
My name is Imran Jazi MBOC. Happy birthday to my brother Prince Ivy.
My name is Jawahira. Happy birthday to you, Uncle Ibrahim.
Hello guys, how are you and how's it going? My name is Safat Adam Ahmad. Happy birthday to my lovely dear, my husband Frank.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Sani. Happy birthday to you, brother Ivy.
My name is Maria Muhammad Hasi. Happy birthday to you, my junior brother Prince Ivy.
Hello, my name is Maria Muhammad Hasi. My brother Prince Ivy.
My name is Musbahu Bala Kumo. Happy birthday to you, Prince Ivy.
Hello, my name is Mubarak. Happy birthday to you, my lovely friend Prince Ivy.
My name is Nazaratu Muhammad Hasi. Happy birthday, my junior brother Prince Ivy.
My name is Sadiq. Happy birthday to you, Uncle Ibrahim.
My name is Shaib Muhammad Hasik. Happy birthday to my best brother Prince Ivy.
I call Chiku aka Girma. Happy birthday to my nigga Prince Ivy. Yeah. Hi guys, I'm Abubakar Hasi by name. I wanna say happy birthday to you, my junior brother, and wish you more useful days ahead.
My name is Royal Muhammad Hasi. Happy birthday to you, my brother Prince Ivy.
Happy birthday, my best friend Prince Ivy. Wish you long life and prosperity.
Yo, I go by the name DJ Fancy. I wish you happy birthday, Prince Ivy.
It's me, Prince Ivy. Thanks guys for the wishes.